Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to pass some value from here. Okay, so that it can be, so the value we can access here on the button click. I can access the value here itself. So for that we have a keyword detail. Okay, and we can pass some value. For now, I'm just passing a simple value, like we can say just message from child. Okay, so I'm doing this here. Okay, sorry, just there is a syntax things. Okay, so I'm passing this value, okay, from here to here. So I'm just going to save this here, and then let me go to the parent here. Okay, so once you go to parent here, so you have to receive that value. Okay, so how we can receive that? So with the event, we have to define this like event, and you can create any variable instant, and we can select message from child. Okay, and then we simply need to just type event dot details. Okay, so we have done two things here. On the child component, I'm passing this value message from child, and I'm passing here and I'm receiving on the parent component JS. Okay, so let me deploy this. Let me
Can you just
alert
put
this.
that into an
So
alert?
yeah, let me
Yeah.
alert this so that it can be more clear. And okay, so it is got deployed, and let's refresh this. Okay, so once I click this child, okay, we have first this alert, and second we have this alert, and we can see the value that we are passing from child, and from the child we are passing this like message from child, and the same value we are displaying here on the parent component, and we can see the same value here as message from child. Okay, so we have seen this value there in alert. Now if we want to pass some static value, or we can say uh, some variable value. Suppose if I am defining some value like first name and last name, and if I want to pass those values, right? So how we can pass that? So I'm just defining here, uh, like in from our last examples, I'm defining this first name. Okay, okay, so and then I'm just taking API last name, and let me so give some value here, saying like Matthew, and let me give last name as a John. And what if I want to pass this value from here to our parent here? Okay, So how we are going to achieve that I'm going to discuss here. Okay, so first of all, these values, okay, that we have defined as first name and last name, you know, this has to be, you know, populated here on detail, because whatever the value you are going to put here, this value is going to be displayed, that value that we are going to the parent component. Okay, so for that, I hope everyone know like JSON, at least basic understanding of that. So uh, the structure will be the same as JSON only. So I hope everyone bit aware of that, right? So I'm just creating this on the JSON format only, maybe. And
Okay,
here
so
I'm just
Dinesh, here if you want to access any data, so always we need to serialize that,
yes.
because I
If you
think
are
this communicate through JSON only, right?
see it,
Even if you are using any account or contact records.
we will talk that when we will be discussing about
Mm-hmm.
LDS, right? We have called one
Yeah.
concept LDS, Lightning Data Services. Then how data is coming, how it is going. We will see all details there. But right now,
Fine.
let's for understanding purpose, let's understand.
Okay. Hi,
If we
you
are
can
going to
create
pass
data,
any
right?
value, we are going to pass this way. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to create some, well, like for first name, I'm doing like first name. I'm accessing dot this dot first name, and then last name this dot last name. Okay. So okay, so when we are going to on the parent here, okay, so how we are going to access these values, the value that we have defined here. Okay, so just go here, we can create some variable for this, or we can directly alert maybe. So I'm going to just alert directly instead of creating a variable. Alert, and I can give here like first name. And how we are going to access this is, right now we were directly, you know, accessing event dot detail, right? But now how we are going to access is event, then detail. Okay, the same thing, but in the detail we have first name, right? So I'm going to access this first name here directly, dot here. The same thing I'm going to alert for the last name, and here we have last name. Okay, let's deploy this and see the value in the alert. I'm going to deploy this as well. Okay, it got deployed. So let me refresh this. And once I click on this, this is the first alert. Okay, second alert. And here you can see like Matthew, the first name, and the last name is John, right? So how we are getting this here is the same thing, this value. And we were getting one like object comma object is because when you try to, you know, alert or try to console.log and any object, so you get that way like object, you know, object comma object, that way.
So
Yes, so
one thing to add here, so from child to parent, if you have to communicate, okay, so this at API is not necessary. It can be a private also, okay. But from parent to child, if you want to communicate, then it has to be with this dot at the rate API decorator.
You mean if we are going from child to parent, then
Yeah, like in this
the
case, like in this
okay,
case, we
okay.
are
So,
going from child to parent, right?
but here he has he using.
Okay, so hope we all understood. So if it is non API also, and we are just passing from here itself, right? So we are going to access this value from the detail. So it will be visible here. Okay, so I think we all done, and